Transform a rotisserie chicken into my buffalo chicken tater tot casserole for an easy weeknight meal for the whole family to enjoy. In a large bowl, combine a can of cream of chicken, your ranch dressing, some Frank's red hot sauce, and your grated cheddar cheese. Mix everything together with a whisk, making sure it's nice and smooth. And to that mixture, we'll add our 4 cups of shredded chicken, which I've gotten from our rotisserie chicken, and then mix it in until it's well incorporated. Take your 9x13 baking dish and spray it with a little bit of nonstick spray. And then we'll take our buffalo chicken mixture and place it into the baking dish, spreading it nice and smooth. Then take your tater tots or your smiley chips and place them on the entire surface of the buffalo chicken mixture. Place it in your preheated oven until nice and golden, and then let it rest for 10 minutes. Garnish it with some green onions, and you're ready to enjoy this amazing buffalo chicken tater tot casserole with your favorite side of veggies or salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.